Welcome back to today's Bible study. My name's Josh, and up to this point, you've practiced explaining passages carefully, letting context control what can be said. Today, we're narrowing that focus even more. This isn't about defining words in general. It's about noticing how a word is functioning in this passage. You're not researching meanings today. You're not looking anything up. You're staying right here in the text and watching how a word is used. We're going to stay in the book of James, and I'm going to read James chapter 1, verses 2 through 4. As you listen, pay attention to any word that seems to carry weight in the passage. James chapter 1, verses 2 through 4. My brethren, count it all joy when you fall into various trials, knowing that the testing of your faith produces patience. But let your patience have its perfect work, that you may be perfect and complete, lacking nothing. Now read that passage again on your own. As you read, identify one word that seems especially important to how the passage works. Don't define it, just notice it. Now read that passage one more time. As you read, pay attention to how the word is used within those lines. As you think about that word, please consider a few things. How is this word used in this passage? What does the surrounding text suggest about its sense here? And what possible meanings seem to be ruled out by the way it's used? Again, stay close to the text as you consider that. What you're practicing here is the skill of context-bounded word explanation. Words don't carry meaning on their own. They gain meaning from how they are used. At this stage, you're not collecting definitions. You're not comparing uses elsewhere. You're letting this passage tell you how the word functions here. That kind of restraint protects clarity. Staying with a passage is part of careful reading. You don't need more information to explain a word responsibly at this stage. You're going to stop here without expanding outward or introducing any tools. Hold on to the habit of letting the words guide meaning. When you're ready, move on to the next video.